Good morning, friends and fellow traders. This is Doug Campbell with Right Way Options, and this is the morning market preparation video for Friday, May 25th, 2018. So, hey everyone, this is the day before the getaway day for our long holiday Memorial Day weekend. And with that in mind, we can expect probably a lot of nothing. Um, I hate to say this, and no one, everyone wants to trade every day, and I get that, but today we're likely to see, after the morning rush, an extreme drop-off in volumes, unless there's some kind of major news event. I would expect there to be such an anemic market today after the morning, bouncing around that we always get first thing in the morning, that I highly doubt that this market is going to be able to move very much. And really, it's a case of, lots of folks are going to be heading out. Nobody's going to be trading. They're looking to extend their holiday weekend. And so we'll see a lot of kind of a major drop off here just before the Memorial Day holiday weekend. So kind of keep that in mind as you plan your risk moving forward. There's an old saying that there's a fine line between fishing and just standing on the shore looking like an idiot. Now, you got to that could really translate into today. There's a fine line between trading and just staring at a chart that's barely moving around. So be kind of careful with that. I know everyone wants to be in the market every day, and everyone wants to maximize their trading every single day. And I get that and I understand that, but please know, some days it's better to just go do something a little bit more productive, and I suspect today may be one of those days. In fact, it may be just a wise thing to fire up that grill and get the holiday weekend started early. So consider that as you're planning your trading for today. Now, my plan is I'm going into this holiday weekend pretty light in my account because there's a lot of spin that could occur over the long holiday weekend with the cancellation of the North Korean summit, with the trade negotiations, underway. Anything could really happen, and we could potentially see a large gap up or a large gap down Tuesday morning. And I don't want to be gambling on that. So I'm going to be lighter in my accounts, and I'll be waiting until Tuesday to make any new trade decisions. So just my 2 cents worth there. Let's take a look at the SPY, also stuck between that rock and a hard place. We've got those ranges set here where we're stuck between resistance and holding above support, just really not going anywhere, and I don't suspect we're going to have the energy to do anything differently today. Let's take a look at the Qs. The Qs, very much a similar situation. We had that really bullish day on Wednesday, that really big bullish candle right here on Wednesday, but we had no follow through. And here again, we're just kind of stuck in that range. The only index that's held up overall and really look pretty good as IWM, but remember, a hammer bouncing off this hammer candle pattern, bouncing off of this support, requires follow through, and that means we need to push higher today in IWM. And I just don't know, even if it does push higher, that there's going to be enough energy to really do anything significant today. So think about that as you prepare your day. Let's take a look at the VIX. Yesterday we had some whip in the VIX. We whipped higher and then moved back down. Just kind of a whipsaw day when we got the news of the cancellation of the North Korean summit. Futures began to spike down. The markets moved lower, and then later, after they realized, oh wait, well, maybe we're not going straight into nuclear war here. The cooler heads will prevail. The market rallied back up to about where it started, and you can see the VIX reflects that pretty well. Expect very little action here today. Let's take a look at T21.22. T21.22, that 4-week new high, new low ratio. You see it rallied just a tiny little bit yesterday, but which means we have room to the upside to move higher, and we also have plenty of room to move down. I would kind of expect we're not going to see much here today in this index. Very little change as we get through the end of the day here. On the economic calendar, we have a couple items that could move us around today. We have the durable goods orders coming out here first thing this morning, 8:30 a.m. They're expected to be pretty flat, honestly. Not a whole lot going in there, but remaining very strong. At 10 a.m., we have our consumer sentiment number. Consumer sentiment is expected to remain very, very strong, near that 100 print number, and everything is good there. So overall, our economy is ticking along really well. We just need a little more energy here in the market to get going. We have 4 Fed speakers today. A Fed speaker here at 9:20, and then 3 coming together to speak at 11:45. After that, we have the Baker Hughes rig count. So that's a pretty light day on the calendar. We had very few companies reporting earnings this morning as well. I think there was about 15 companies on the calendar today. One of the most notable would be like Foot Locker. Foot Locker reporting looks like it reported very well, gapping up sharply this morning with that report. So with that, everyone, hey, I want to wish you all a great day. And, you know, great days don't have to mean a great profit day in the market. It can be just that day where we get to spend with friends and family and doing some things we enjoy. You know, as traders, we have the ability to select those days when we can just choose to walk away and enjoy that trader's lifestyle. Today, very likely, could be one of those days. So with that, everyone, I want to wish you a great day, and I want to wish you, more importantly, a fantastic holiday weekend, and hope everyone gets to do something productive and fun over this holiday weekend. And we'll see you back here next Tuesday. Now, everyone, if this is the first time you've seen these videos, please do me a favor. Click on the subscribe button on YouTube. Follow me button on Facebook. Click those thumbs up buttons and drop a comment if you think the videos are worth it. I really do appreciate all of those wonderful comments. You guys are awesome. And if you would like to share this video with any friends or family, please feel free to do that at any time. Everyone, have an awesome holiday weekend. We'll see you back here next Tuesday for the next edition of the Morning Market Prep. Everyone, take care. Be safe. We'll talk to you all soon.